express 0.005 in the form of P by Q. We need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just skip the decimal and write the number you are getting. For denominator, for every digit after decimal, you have to consider 10. We have 3 digits, so you have to write 310, and you need to write 310 as a multiplication. You can, this 20 don't have any value. So now we need to reduce this fraction. So how to do that? Just divide numerator and denominator by the same number, which is called factor. The factor of 5 and 10 is 5. If you divide this 5 by 5, you will get 1. If you divide this 10 by 5, you will get 2. So we are getting 1 divided by 2 times 10 times 10. So 2 times 10 times 10, that's 1 time 1, 1, right? Add to 0. Again 2 times 1, 2, add to 0. So there is no common factor between these two numbers without 1. So this is the reduced fraction.